noises with the chords. So one of the best things you can do is just sort of sing along with me until you get the idea. If you forget, for larger than life, that's your starting note, but not up there, sort of lower. Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you keep up? I hope you did. Well done. But if you didn't, you can just go and practice a little bit until you can. And then of course, add a bit of dancing, something like that. Okay. Hope everything's good for you. Sorry, my voice is a bit croaky. It is. It's just the way it is at the moment. But it will be all right in the end. Hope you're having a wonderful time in the sun. And hope to see you soon. Bye.